I'm at Data Center Dynamics. I'm talking to Soren Jensen, Vice President of Enterprise Software and Managed Services at Schneider Electric. Soren, you just participated in a very interesting and quite provocative panel discussion. The question posed was, if hype has killed DCIM, then what next? How do you respond to that?
Well, first of all, I think it's fair that there's been some hype, but the hype is nothing compared to the upside and opportunity that we all are facing in DCIM, and certainly not even closely compared to what we see in cloud and Internet of Things or big data for that matter. So I think what's happening is that we are all latching onto this term DCIM as a phenomenon, as something that people can get excited about. And it describes a category of new tool sets that can actually do wonderful things. Having said that, we are also up against that DCIM is becoming a broad term. And some might even say, and one of my dear panelist fellows said this, that it's almost becoming everything and nothing. So, I mean, you're boiling the ocean type of notion, which I agree with. If you approach this in its most abstract sense and try to do everything at once, the likelihood of you having success is very small, and we are seeing that. One of the panelists made the argument that 30% of DCIM implementations fail today. And that's something we should take very serious and take a really hard look at. And my experience is that if you don't treat a DCIM implementation with the utmost respect of the processes and the people that it touches on, you are almost guaranteed to fail. It needs to be treated with, or like any other IT project, and if you don't, I mean, your success of failure is high. So the key thing that I took away from this panel, with great question from the audience too, is that it starts with you being very clear on what is it you're trying to achieve, what are the business goals that we are here to achieve. Whatever it is, and this is what I see, extending the life of your data center, squeezing 4 or 5 more years out of your data center because you can suddenly get a visibility to stranded capacity and basically start understanding what is going on, or if it is reducing your expense by getting control of your energy and doing things more efficient, or if it's simply because you need to improve your service. That's actually something that keeps coming up, that customers need to have a much faster response time to the business requests, and we are starting to see tools that can do things in a matter of minutes, but the clock speed on the facility side is still, months or quarters or years, sometimes even at best, right? So, and I think that's where DCIM has come in to trying to become that middleman. And sometimes, to be fair, the expectations of what DCIM will do is far too high, and we need to set expectations and treat this in the right manner, starting with have a clear understanding on the business objectives.
So you would say that DCIM isn't dead?
Absolutely not. I think we're getting much more grounded. I think there have been analysts out with some very aggressive growth rates. I don't think that they're even close, but I see DCIM as a critical efficiency, cost-saving, productivity, visibility tool that will get us into the same notion of speed as we know from the IT side. And we as an industry, we have to go there. Software is here to stay, and DCIM is a critical, not the only one, but a critical vehicle to improve the service to the business.
Soren, thanks very much.
You're welcome.